Today I'd like to introduce you to two of our must-have skincare essentials, Balancing Cleanser and Triple Action Cleanser. Everyone knows you need to wash your face, but have you ever stopped to think about the ingredients in your cleanser and whether or not they're helping or hindering your complexion? Many cleansers contain harsh surfactants like SLSs to make them lather and give you that squeaky clean feeling. But did you know that squeaky clean feeling is actually the result of your skin being stripped of its protective barrier? Unfortunately, when this happens, it can lead to breakouts and sensitivity. As we like to say, bubbles belong in your champagne, not your cleanser. Instead, these cleansers are formulated without any nasties and contain ingredients which work hard to balance your skin's pH and nourish and support its protective barrier. The Alpha H Balancing Cleanser is a beautiful creamy 3-in-1 cleanser, makeup remover and toner, which is fortified with calming aloe vera and vitamin E.
As it does not remove your skin's naturally occurring oils or damage its protective barrier, it helps to reduce moisture evaporation from the skin's surface.
What this means is it will bring comfort to dry, tight and irritated complexions, making it ideal for all skin types. The Alpha H Triple Action Cleanser is also a 3-in-1 cleanser, makeup remover and toner with a soft and cooling gel consistency.
It contains cucumber and aloe vera, which provide natural anti-inflammatory properties, as well as thyme, one of nature's own antibacterial agents. Because of this, it's great for normal, oily, combination and even problematic skin types. It's also able to be used by the gents.
Thanks to their gentle formulations, both of these cleansers can be used on the delicate eye area. You can meet Alpha H's full range of cleansers, all which are free of harsh surfactants, at alphah.com.